What if I told you that in 2025, you could run almost every part of your business using free AI tools, writing emails, making designs, creating videos, even managing your team, all without spending a single dollar? Today, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI tools for business in 2025 and exactly how you can start using them. Welcome to Next Gen AI Tools. Here we explore the latest AI software that helps you work smarter, save time, and grow faster. If that sounds useful, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss our weekly AI tool guides. The first tool is ChatGPT, specifically the free GPT 3.5 version. It's not just a chatbot. Think of it as your free business assistant. Here's what you can do. Draft professional emails in seconds. Brainstorm 10 creative marketing ideas instantly. Summarize a 5-page report into bullet points. Example: you receive a contract from a client. Instead of reading every line, paste it into ChatGPT and ask, summarize the key obligations. In just seconds, you'll get the important highlights. Another example: you're launching a new product. Ask ChatGPT, write 10 ad slogans for a productivity app. Boom. You instantly have a list of options. Pro: saves hours of writing. Con: free version can't access live internet, but for text and summaries it's excellent. Second is Canva. Most people know Canva as a design tool. But in 2025, the free AI features are incredible. With Magic Design, you simply type an idea, like Instagram post about productivity tips. Canva instantly generates dozens of polished graphics. Here's how it works. Step 1, open Canva. Click Magic Design. Step 2, enter your idea or upload an image. Step 3, pick from ready-made templates. Example: you need a presentation for a client pitch. Instead of designing slides manually, Canva's AI creates the entire deck with matching fonts and colors. All you do is edit the text. Pro: beginner-friendly with tons of free templates. Con: some designs are locked to premium, but the free ones are more than enough. Third is Notion AI. Notion started as a productivity app. Now it has an AI assistant built in. What can it do? Summarize meeting notes. Create to-do lists and checklists. Brainstorm content ideas. Example: you're managing 3 clients. Each has multiple deadlines. Instead of sorting manually, ask Notion AI. Summarize all tasks due this week. In seconds, you'll have a clean list, organized by priority. Pro: works directly inside your notes. Con: free AI tier has usage limits, but even with limits, it's a huge time saver. The fourth tool is Pictory AI. This is perfect for turning text into videos. Here's how it works. Step 1, paste in your script or blog post. Step 2, Pictory generates a video with stock clips, captions, and transitions. Step 3, customize visuals, then export. Example: you wrote a blog post about top marketing tips. Paste it into Pictory, and you instantly get a ready-to-share video for LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Pro: no editing skills required. Con: free trial has export limits, but it's more than enough to start. Finally, tool number 5 is Trello with Butler Automation. Trello is a free project management board, but the Butler feature automates repetitive tasks. Here's how it helps. Auto-assign tasks when you move them into a column. Add due dates and reminders automatically. Send alerts to your teammates before deadlines. Example: you create a task called Client Report. Trello instantly assigns it to your teammate, sets the due date for Friday, and schedules a reminder one day before. Pro: perfect for freelancers and small teams. Con: advanced automation may require paid plans, but the free version handles the basics well. So, let's recap. 5 free tools for 2025. ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming, Canva for design, Notion AI for task management, Pictory for video creation, Trello with automation for workflows. Together, these tools save time, cut costs, and help you focus on growth. Which of these tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly AI tool guides. Links to try these tools are in the description.